Hello friends, this is Caroline of Caroline's Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm glad to have you here on my channel. If you are new here or this is not your first time to my channel and you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really does help me out. Today's video is a plan with me for this past week using this beautiful kit called Terracotta Chai by Glam Planner. I have had this kit in my collection for a very long time now. I purchased it when it came out, I believe about a year ago, and I've been keeping it for a fall week in my collection for a long time now. And I am so happy that we are finally at the week where I can use this kit. In case you are curious, the pen that I'm using is my standard Pilot G2 in black and the .38 point. I do like the finer tip pens. I did use almost everything except I think the heart checklists in this kit throughout this week. I'll quickly walk you through some things. The This Week and YouTube scripts in the sidebar are from Harriet Wright Designs. That little owl icon there that I use to mark parent-teacher conferences happening on Monday is from a freebie from the Coffee Monsters Co. and the parent-teacher conferences script in rose gold is from Scribble Prints Co. I did use the deco throughout the sidebar and throughout the spread to mark various different things. I also included the rose gold overlays that came, that you could add on as part of this kit. That Work Late script is from Glam Planner, and that Harry Potter book is from the Coffee Monsters Co. The overlay on the full box on Tuesday is from Shop Jessica Hearts, and the read script on the bottom of Monday is from Scribble Prints Co. I did get to spend a lot of time with my mom's cat this weekend, the weekend of this week that I'm planning out. We are cat sitting for my mom this past weekend and this week. And that No School script is from Scribble Prints Co. and the emoji is from the Coffee Monsters Co. We did not have school on Monday or Tuesday of last week due to the end of the quarter, trainings, parent-teacher conferences, things like that. And there were teacher work days for teachers and staff. The conference script is from Station Stickers. So to mark our planning and work day, I used a script from the kit. The meeting script on Monday is from Letters to Apollo. I did have to make a very long trek from my mechanic shop on Tuesday. For those of you who've been around on my channel since this summer, you'll know that I had a lot of issues with my tires. One of my tires did go flat again while sitting in the parking garage where I normally park my car, so I had to get it over to the shop best I could and then get the tire filled. It turned out there was an issue with the tire pressure sensor on my car that it was causing the tires to lose air and lose pressure for some reason. I used the little mechanic cat from a recent freebie from Mixie Cat Stuff on Etsy. I do have a coupon code for their shop. You can use code Caroline15 for 15% off of your order at Mixie Cat Stuff on Etsy. The code and link to their shop will be below. I did a lot of work on first quarter report cards this day. The report card script is from Scribble Friends Co. and the little pen cup is from Murdoch Talks. Also from Murdoch Talks is that laundry script, and the laundry detergent bottle icon is from Harriet Wright Designs. To mark school on Wednesday morning, I used an online class script from A Paperella Story. I also uploaded a video to YouTube this day. The upload script is from Harriet Wright Designs. To mark coffee, I used the coffee cup icon from the kit. The overlay script on the full box on Wednesday is from Shop Jessica Hearts. In case you're curious, the dark brown headers are an overlay tape, or a glitter tape rather, from Rose Colored Days. We paid our mortgage on this day. I used a bill due from the kit to mark that, as well as a house icon from Scribble Friends Co. from one of the rose gold icon mini sheets that I had in my collection. On Wednesday, we also had our first day with our long-term sub for my class, my virtual class that I'm teaching. My usual assistant has gone on leave for a month, so this was our first day with a sub, so it went really well. To mark that, I used a munchkin from Once More with Love. This was the last one of these on this sheet, so I'm now out of these, sadly. And I just placed an order with Once More with Love, and I forgot to order some more of those, which is sad. That's okay. I have plenty of other teacher stickers to use to mark teaching things. I picked up a prescription refill this day. That refill RX script is from Letters to Apollo. The icon is from Once More with Love. To mark watching The Bachelorette, I used a script from Letters to Apollo, and the icon is from Franny Lamb Stickers on Etsy. Let me know down in the comments below what you're thinking of this season so far. I'm not really sure how I feel about it. I'd love to hear your opinions in the comments. On Thursday, I did laundry as usual. And I have coffee. I just used a piece of deco from the kit to mark that, as well as a script from Glam Planner. I did some editing. That icon, that TN icon, is from the Coffee Monsters Co. and the edit script is from Nettie Designs. I went to yoga this evening. That sticker on the bottom of the day is from Virgo and Paper. I also had my usual FaceTime with my mom this day. That teeny is from Glam Planner, and the FaceTime script is from Scribble Friends Co. The overlay on top of the Friday full box is a fall full box overlay from Jessica Hearts, and the online class scripts are from Sticky Essentials. I marked uploading while drinking coffee on Friday with another cat from Mixie Cat Stuff, and the upload script on Friday is from Kenzie's Creations. I uploaded on Friday. I did not get my work plan with me up. I didn't film one this week. I just wasn't in the mood. So instead, I put up a haul bit for you all. You can see that video that's up on my channel. You all seem to be liking that. I called my doctor's office to get another prescription refilled on Friday morning. That pill bottle icon is from Gloria's shop on Etsy, The film script is from Harriet Red Designs, and the camera icon is from Mama Gloria's shop on Etsy. The pack script is from Letters to Apollo. My husband and I packed for a little short trip that we're on now to my mom's house. We are cat sitting for her while she's visiting her parents. So we needed to pack for about 5 to 6 days away from our house. So we had to pack food and clothes and just anything that we needed to make sure that we could just kind of stay at her place and go out as little as possible. On Saturday evening, we watched a movie. I used that Netflix and Chill big icon to take up a lot of space there is Fox and Pip. I used the Netflix and Chill script from Scribble Prints Co. Also in rose gold. I had intended to use that flight tracker to mark my mom's flight times, but I wound up needing the space for something else. I marked getting up early with a script from Glam Planner from the kit. I know that's not what that script was intended to be used for, but I think it works just fine. The icon is from the Coffee Monsters Co. I used 2 icons from Franny Lamb stickers on Etsy to mark driving to my mom's and unpacking and getting settled in on Saturday afternoon. I used another edit script from Knitted Designs and a Munchkin on the laptop to mark editing, doing a little bit of editing work. And I am just writing in what we were doing on a Saturday morning there. I also marked cuddle time with my mom's cat with a script from Scribble Prints Co. and a cat lady sticker from the Coffee Monsters Co. I've been looking forward to using these for a while. There's another one there on Sunday to mark more kitty cuddles over morning coffee. We also ordered groceries this day to be delivered to my mom's place so we could eat throughout the week. And the script, both the scripts there are from Glam Planner as well. I used a little voiceover emoji to mark recording a voiceover, and the upload script is from Kinsey's Creations. I didn't actually wind up uploading on Sunday. Rather, this video that you're watching right now is obviously getting uploaded on Monday instead of Sunday, but I did want to pre-film this so that I wouldn't have to bring my lights and everything to my mom's house. We did do some cooking and just some chilling, and I got a little bit of reading done on my Harry Potter book that I'm working on now. Something else that I didn't have a chance to put in on Saturday was that the election results came out, and Biden-Harris won the upcoming presidency and vice presidency for 2020, which is exciting. And yeah, I didn't get a chance to put that in because obviously this was pre-filmed, as I mentioned earlier, but I will put that in the bottom washi when I get home. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe if you like what you see. Stay happy and healthy. Peace, love, and happy planning, everyone. Have a wonderful week.